Okay, in connection with our previous lecture, the heat of combustion and the stability of the cycloalkanes. So we'll see the next ring strain and heat of combustion and everything. So as we will go from the six member ring onwards, or we will go previous rings than the six member rings, like three member ring, four member rings. So you can see here stability. We do take six member ring as a standard, okay, to compare with other things, the data for the six member ring. So strain per ch2 group which is present in six members, so six ch2 groups present in six member ring. So strain for six member ring is 0.002 kilocalorie per mole, or 0.08 kilojoule per mole. That means it's almost zero is equal to zero. That means six member ring is free from strain, angle strain, or what other types of strain. And we have to compare this data, the standard data of six member ring which is free from ring strain. We have to compare other rings with this one. So here you can see three member rings, they are highly strained, 9.17. It's too much strain present in three member ring, cyclopropene ring, 38.37 kilojoule per mole. In four member ring also is quite strained ring. Here you can see it's the second most highly strained cycloalkane ring, four member ring, cyclobutane, 6.58 kilocalorie per mole. Ring strain present in cyclobutane. Also, five member ring is not that of highly strained. It's 1.24 compared to three member. Four member is this value of kilocalorie per mole is quite low. Okay, for seven member ring, it's nothing, 0.89 kilocalorie per mole. Again, for eight member is slightly increased, 1.21. For nine member ring is 1.40. For 10 member ring is 1.24. 11 member ring it's 1.02. For 12 member ring, okay, it's almost again it's decreasing down 0.34. So from 12 member rings onwards, or from 7 member ring onwards, again these molecules, or again these cycloalkanes becomes strain free, because size of those ring is increasing, and due to that one there is no angle strain, and maybe there is no torsional strain is present in such long or big molecules, we can say. Okay, so for 17 member ring, here you can see value is minus 0.19. It's almost free of all kind of strain. For 16 member ring is 0.12. It's almost nothing. Okay, a ring strain. So like that, this is the data for the what type of ring strain present, which ring is highly strained, which ring is not, it's not strained. This is the very authentic data I have given here. Reference I have given you, this is one research article I have taken, conformational analysis of cycloalkanes by Veljico Draglogio, scientist name, and this reference is Chemtext, journal name is Chemtext 2015 journal, and here I have given DOI number. So if you will drop this DOI number in Google search, then with this DOI number you can find or full paper of this confirmation analysis of cycloalkanes. In that one you can find each and everything regarding from 3 member ring to 20 member ring. All data is available in this particular paper. Okay, now three membered rings, shapes of the three membered ring. Three membered molecule of cyclopropene is planar and has a shape of equilateral triangle. So figure A. This is obvious since 3 points in space defines a plane unless all 3 points are collinear. The cyclopropene has only one conformation and hence there is no conformational analysis. Okay, cyclopropene has only one conformation, no other conformation analysis present. Since the cyclopropene molecule is planar, all carbon hydrogen bonds are eclipsing. Figure B. Okay, all carbon hydrogen bonds are eclipsing. Note that there is no possibility for bond rotation in cyclic compounds, as we know that very well. Thus, this molecule also has a high degree of torsional strain. Okay, so why the three-membered ring has shows high heat of combustion? Because this molecule has high degree of torsional strain. In cyclopropene, bond angles are 60 degree. Therefore, there is a large deviation from the tetrahedral bond angle, and as a result, there is high degree of angle strain. So, why three-membered ring is has this much heat of combustion per CH2 molecule. Because why that one is highly strained? Because cyclopropane has torsional strain as well as angle strain. That's why that one is highly strained molecule or strained cycloalkane. So now next three member ring, as in case of three member cyclopropane, it doesn't have any conformation analysis, so we cannot compare the energy, which one is stable or which one is less stable. So there is no any chance to compare all these things. So we will move for the next cycloalkane, cyclobutane. Okay, here are the shapes of the different shapes of the cyclobutane. Again, I have given the reference number of that paper on first slide. So same thing. So I have picked up all this data from that paper. So everything is authentic. Molecule of cyclobutane adopts a puckered conformation to minimize torsion. Puckered means puckering of the molecule, means molecule is a little bit, that means the cyclohexane distorted from the planar molecule. It's trying to achieve the comfortable state. That is nothing but a puckering of that conformation. Okay, so this is puckered formula. This is line formula. And as we have seen with models, in case of cyclohexane, the molecules, that one is bending from here, we can bend that molecule. So same thing, puckering occurs here in cyclobutane. If it were planar, there would be eight pairs of CH eclipsing interaction. Eclipsing interaction, this is the eclipsing interaction. Okay, this hydrogen is totally behind each other, so this is nothing but the eclipsing interaction. And these types of eclipsing interaction, it can create strain in molecule in this ring. Okay, so if it were planar, as it is not planar, it's little bit puckered. Okay, so molecule is not planar, cyclobutane is not planar, it's little bit puckered, it's deviated from planarity. So if it were planar, then there could be eight pairs of CH eclipsing interaction, and the torsional strain would be have been rather high. Okay, so if that one is planar, then it could be more unstable molecule. As that one is not planar, cyclobutane is not planar. Some of the torsional strain has relieved, and due to that one is little bit stable molecule, cyclobutane. In a puckered conformation, CH bonds are in skew conformation, and therefore some torsional strain is still present. Okay, so this is second most unstable molecule because high heat of combustion. Due to this eclipsing conformation or skew conformation is present, CH bonds are present in skew conformation, but not in all CH bonds are not in eclipsing interaction. Some of them, they are present in skew conformation. Here you can see. Okay, on the other hand, cyclobutane still has a relatively high angle strain. Okay, relatively high angle strain, 86 degrees centigrade. Okay, and bending of the ring increases its angle strain. Bending of ring, here you can see bending of the ring increases angle strain. The dihedral angle are of 28 degrees centigrade. Dihedral angle, here hydrogen is present, and dihedral angle is 28 degrees centigrade. And valency angle are 86 degrees centigrade. Okay, instead of 90 degree in a planar square. Okay, so here are some two conformation of cyclobutane I have given. This is line formula. Pseudoaxial bond which are not perfectly axial, which bonds, CH bonds are distorted from axial, so those we can say that those are pseudoaxial. Pseudoequatorial bonds which are not perfectly equatorial, distorted from equatorial position, those we can call pseudoequatorial bonds. So this is the comparison, or these are the representation of the cyclobutane. Energy, okay,